Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can withdraw from Hamster Kombat. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Telegram. Once you open Telegram, you simply need to select Hamster Kombat and click on play. So once you are here, you simply need to click on airdrop, and here you can see task lead, connect your turn wallet. So you simply need to click here, click on connect, and here you can see different options. So I'm going to connect with Townkeeper, so select that, and here you can see that option to connect wallet. So click here, enter your passcode. So I'm going to enter mine, and okay, and now both are connecting, and here you can see that your turn wallet is connected. So now my wallet is connected, and after some time here you can see an option to withdraw. So you need to wait for that. Currently you can see that there is no option and you need to wait for withdraw. So this is the process that you need to follow. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.